Episode 179, Timothy. One day, Timothy arrived at Knapford Station shunting yards to shunt some trucks when he saw Sidney. He saw that Sidney was looking very worried. "Hi, Sidney," said Timothy. "What's wrong?" "Well, I forgot to shunt Gordon's brake coach and Oliver's brake van towed to their trains. And, well, I know where they are. They're like way over there." "Thanks," said Timothy. "I'll go get them." Soon Timothy arrived and found Toad and the brake coach. Timothy quickly got turned around and coupled to the brake coach. Soon enough, he was turned around and backed up to Toad. Then he asked Sidney, "Where are Gordon?" "Where are Gordon and Oliver right now?" "They're at Knapford Station," said Sidney. "Good," said Timothy, and he raced off to deliver Toad and the express coach to them. "Godspeed, Timothy, Godspeed." When Gordon and Oliver got the news, they were very surprised. "I can't believe I lost my brake coach," said Gordon. "I wonder what happened to Toad," asked Oliver. Just then, they both heard a whistle, and coming up to them was Timothy with the brake coach and Toad. "Timothy," asked Gordon, "what are you doing with my brake coach?" "And Toad," asked Oliver. "Sidney forgot to shunt them to your trains, so I brought them for him. Now I think you two should get us coupled up to your assigned rolling stock." "Indeed," said Gordon. Soon enough, Gordon was coupled up to the brake coach, and Toad was coupled to Oliver. And soon enough, Gordon set off with the express. And Oliver set off with his goods train. Soon enough, Timothy went back to the shed to check on Sidney. Back at Tidmouth Sheds, Sir Topham Hatt was waiting with Sidney when Timothy pulled up behind him. "Timothy," said Sir Topham Hatt, "Sidney told me everything on how you helped Gordon and Oliver reclaim their rolling stock." "Why, thank you, sir," said Timothy. "Indeed, Timothy, you are a really useful engine." And Timothy had to agree.